Do you dream of a future where you leave your mark on the world? A creative career includes science, technology, engineering, and math as the foundation to an exciting profession at places like Idaho National Laboratory. Through your education, INL is reaching out with scientists, engineers, and technicians to give you a vision of how your education today plays into your future. Our student outreach primes the pump for the future STEM workforce. Students make career choices early in life based on awareness and other external factors, which we have worked diligently to impact positively.
So I always loved science and engineering. My father was an engineer, is an engineer. But I always loved rocks, right? I would always pick them up and look at them when I was a young child. And then when I was in high school, a volcano called Mount St. Helens, just a little west of here, erupted. And I said, oh, I've got to be a geologist. I declared that major in college, had a great professor, just absolutely just excited me, lit me up, right? And then I just stayed with it. And you know, geology takes you different directions, and it took me to Idaho National Laboratory. Idaho National Laboratory is a research and development organization, right? We do research, we solve big problems, we're saving the world. And we need strong scientists and engineers to do that research. But that has to start even before kindergarten, the curiosity, and then just staying with it. But the future workers here are the kids who get excited about science, technology, engineering, math when they're very young, and then stick with it.
Our mission at Idaho National Laboratory is to discover, demonstrate, and secure innovative nuclear energy solutions, other clean energy options, and protect critical infrastructure. The lab's nuclear experts are developing, testing, and demonstrating new fuels and materials for both the current fleet and a new generation of advanced nuclear reactors. This involves many STEM careers like engineering, physics, chemistry, computer science, and many other technical fields.
As a nuclear engineer here at Idaho National Laboratory, I get to work on a lot of complex and very interesting systems. And a lot of those have a very positive impact on our society, which is why I love what I do, is I have a real and positive impact on society. Primarily working on developing new capabilities to examine nuclear fuels after they come out of a reactor. But the best engineers aren't the ones who are great at the book work only. The best engineers are the people who have a creative mind. It's the creative engineers that really succeed. And one of the reasons I love engineering and what I do is I get to work on some really complex things where I can use my creativity. And that's really appealing to me.
INL is a national leader in the development of hybrid energy systems to integrate nuclear and renewable energy generation. Power engineers work to ensure systems like wind, solar, and advanced battery storage technologies can work reliably with the grid.
My job makes society better every day because we work with electricity. We try to make electricity efficient, reliable, sustainable for everybody, for businesses, for houses, for commercial buildings, for shopping malls, schools, everybody. So our research impacts everybody's lives every day, 24/7. That's what we like to do. It is cool to be a scientist.
INL's multi-mission research also includes testing of advanced vehicle capabilities, solving bioenergy challenges, and improving manufacturing efficiency. INL's national and homeland security programs use our expansive critical infrastructure test range in development of innovations to protect the nation's critical infrastructure, like the electric grid and water systems. NNHS researchers also test advanced wireless technologies, cybersecurity innovations, and cyber response efforts. We also develop and produce armor for Abrams tanks.
I am a cybersecurity researcher. I work on many different projects helping secure our national infrastructure. I learn tools and techniques used by hackers and research ways to help protect against them. Cybersecurity is interesting because it's a fairly new field and it's always changing. I've always liked solving math puzzles, which is why I like programming and looking for vulnerabilities in software. My advice for students interested in computer science is to take as many programming, math, physical science classes as you can, because if you like those classes, then you'll like computer science. If you like what you're doing and you're interested in it, then you'll be good at it.
But careers here at the lab are not limited to scientists and engineers. Many opportunities also exist for a multitude of technicians, information management specialists, business professionals, and many other support services. Not only are STEM careers personally rewarding, they're financially rewarding. Starting salaries range from $40,000 to $80,000 a year.
An investment in STEM is really an investment in our future. It's about business. Over the last 2 years, we've hired 500 people each year, and most of those hires required at least a certification or a degree in STEM. So by investing time and materials and resources and getting into the schools, getting in front of the counselors, getting in front of the teachers, and really showing them what the career opportunities are at Idaho National Laboratory, we're really hoping students like you will be interested in pursuing really exciting jobs that we need to fill not only now, but well into our future.
Scientists and engineers at INL are world-renowned problem solvers, and we need more and better prepared students to solve the challenges of the future. What are you passionate about? Discover what intrigues you. The journey to your future begins with a first step. Consider becoming a scientist, engineer, technician, or inventor of tomorrow. Visit inl.gov/partnerships to learn more.